So first of all, we have lay the sheet, and then we mark it 4 inch extra so that we can overlap that piece inside, and then we puncture it at certain areas, and we are putting the pigs safety pins, you can say. Let me show you. This is the safety pin. So here you can see that we lift something extra. Here you can see now, right? So there was a border, and we have left some extra piece, so it will be like L shape, and that sand will be lifted and put on top of it like that, right? So that will actually secure the mat, and it will be not drag inside. So here we are going to put some sand along the bunker. This is actually securing the bunker mat. Here you can see that we have put the bunker mats. They are properly installed. Everything is complete. Now we have to put the sand in. So before we put the sand in, we have to secure the bunker sheet so it didn't slip inside. So for that we are putting the sand. And here you can see so you can see the contours, how they are moving around. Once the sand is a bit compacted, then we will put more sand and we will fill it up to the top, right up to here. So the sand level will be somewhere here, and then the grass will be somewhere here on above this sheet. So sword level, the grass level will be above 1 inch above, on top of the edging of the bunker. And then we have the white sand inside, which we will install later. And at the moment we are just doing rough work. So all this area is B grade sand in the rough area, and my fairway is A grade sand, and even my green, that is also A grade sand. So let me show you the sheeting now. So here you can see that we are laying the sheet. So this is the jute textile, 400 gram per square meter, and we are using it so that the dirt material which you can see here, that and the good sand that we will put on in the color sand, the white sand that we will put on in our bunker, they didn't mix up, and the soil particle didn't mix up in the sand, and they are not contaminated. So this is for the safety of the white sand, because the sand is the color of sand is pure white, and if it is mixed with the soil, then it will become brown or gray, and not gray, brown, dark brown. So that will affect the color of the bunker. So for security we have to use this mat. So once we lay the mat, then we anchor by using pins, safety pins. So nobody is allowed inside at the moment, only those workers who are working inside, only those they can go inside and do the working. Too much rush spoils things. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the videos. Allah Hafiz.